Okay, now we're making taco pizza today. I've got the refried beans cooking in the Instapot, and they got about 35 minutes cooking, and then probably another 30 minutes releasing their own gas. Then I made pizza dough up here that's rising, and now it's time to make taco sauce. So now they said to you, the recipe says to use half a cup of tomato paste. Well, I have a 6-ounce can right here, 6-ounce can, whoops, of tomato paste. We're going to see if my theory is correct. If in fact 6-ounce can is a half a cup. Because if it is, then why wouldn't the recipe call for a 6-ounce can? That's all I'm saying. Huh, look at that. There's a half a cup, and I probably have that much left, about 2 tablespoons. That's alright, I can freeze them. Use for later. So now it wants you to put all this stuff with boiling water. Okay. So I have half a cup of tomato paste, 1.5 cups of water. And it called for 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. I don't have white vinegar, I have white wine vinegar. Because here we like to use apple cider vinegar a lot. Okay, so we got all that done. Now we're going to use, I don't have any minced dry onion. So I'm going to use dried powdered onion because that's what I have. And it seems to be, I haven't used it for a while. And I'm going to call this probably 1 tablespoon of minced onion. 2.5 teaspoons. 1 of cumin, 2.5. We've switched over to cooking here, so we get to be whatever we feel like being, I guess. 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay. And then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Isn't that interesting? There's that. And then half a teaspoon of paprika. And I get all my seasonings, I try to get them all at Thrive because they come in these nice little packages. And half a teaspoon of salt. And that was probably 1 teaspoon. Alright, and now we stir. It says to bring it to a boil for 20 minutes. Trying to show you here. I have this new guy that. Okay, there we go. So anyways, that's my taco sauce. The recipe can be found on my Substack channel. And that's all there is to it. Oh, look, this turns this way now. I guess that's tightened up there. I got a new stand. There I am. Hi. And this is the taco sauce. I'm getting all the tomato paste. I'm usually one of those people that I like to cook my tomato paste in a little olive oil before I add anything to it, because I think you get a tinny taste, an unfinished taste from your tomato paste. Alright, look at that. That's looking pretty good. Smells like taco sauce, and a little bit I got kind of tastes like taco sauce. Turn my flames down, put this stuff all away, simmer for 20 minutes. That's not a simmer. There we go. Put my timer on. 20 minutes. And we'll let it simmer away. Alright. So it's 3 recipes today I've done. I did the refried beans in the Instant Pot. I did the pizza dough right here. It's got to rise up to 4 quarts. And we'll get that out. And I'm making taco sauce. So the whole point of this was I want to make taco pizza. And I already have some pork in the refrigerator that I need to use up. And I have some little cherry tomatoes to add on it. And I think I'm going to dice up some bell peppers. Give it some prettiness, and some mozzarella cheese. Or should I put cheddar? Ooh. We'll see. You'll know when I know.